Hello friends, welcome to the point. In today's session, let's study about the physical features of Western Africa. Western Africa, it is the westernmost region of Africa. The United Nations, it defines Western Africa as the 16 countries, and those countries are Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Nigeria, Benin, Togo, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Ivory Coast, which is also called as Côte d'Ivoire, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea-Bissau, Gambia, Senegal, and Cape Verde. These are the 16 countries in Western Africa. Cape Verde, it is an island country in the Atlantic Ocean. This Atlantic Ocean, it forms the western as well as southern borders of West African region. The northern border is Sahara Desert. So in this region there are several major rivers, including the river Niger. This is the Western Africa's longest river. It originates in Guinea Highlands, where rainfall is heavy. And other major rivers rise from Guinea's Fouta-Djallon. It includes the Gambia and the Senegal rivers. The Senegal River, it drains a major basin, and this is the third largest in West Africa after Niger Basin and Lake Chad Basin. So Lake Chad is the second longest river. West African rivers, it experiences great seasonal variations in the river flow. This river Niger, it is about 4,180 km long, and it passes through almost every climatic zone in West Africa. A vast inland delta it has formed along its way in Mali, and it owes to the shallow slope of the river and sand accumulations that have obstructed its main channel. The inland Niger Delta, it acts like a giant sponge which moderates the flow downstream, and it reduces the risk of flooding. Where the Niger arcs, it passed Timbuktu in Mali's northern Sahel, sand accumulation push it southwards. In Nigeria, the Niger River is joined by Benue River, and its major tributary drains much of northeastern Nigeria. The Lake Chad Basin, it occupies a huge area covering parts of Niger and most of Chad, Nigeria, Cameroon, and the Central African Republic. In the West African region, many separate river basins, they are defined by smaller rivers that drain the land between Atlantic Ocean and the bases of Senegal and the Niger rivers. Of this, the two rivers are the Gambia River, which drains central Senegal and the nation of Gambia, and the Volta River. This is the Volta River, which starts at the confluence of Nakkan Bay, which is said as White Volta, and the Mohon Black Volta. It reaches into the Musi Plateau in Burkina Faso. Ghana constructed the Okosombo Dam in gorge where the Olta cuts through Aquampin, that is Togo range, and it creates the world's largest artificial lake, that is called Lake Olta. Remember, Lake Olta, it is the world's largest artificial lake. See you all in the next session with some other interesting topic. Thank you.